And then you reach up. Good. Up and over. Nice. Make sure you've got enough space at home while doing this. Don't crash into the couch or something. Woo! Now swing it in front. Swing, swing, swing. Good. Control the movement. Squeeze the muscles. And now we're going to take it down. Reach down. Are you guys still with me? Yes. Yes. Oh, it doesn't sound like it. Are you guys with me? Yes. Woo! I hope you guys at home are with me too. And now just step it out. Step. Step. Remember to squeeze the tummy. Squeeze the bum. Keep breathing. Woo! And now just walk it out again. Walk. Good. And breathe. Up with the arms. And down. Inhale through the nose, up. And exhale down. And work the arms. And lift the knees. Up, up, up. Good. Are you guys feeling a little bit warmer? Yes. It's summer. We will walk anyway. But it's fun. And just open the feet. Stand. One more time. In. And out. Squat. And up. Remember when you squat, open the knees, open the toes, up, and just relax. Okay, you guys, let's start doing the program. We're going to do 15 reach. Lie on the mat. Get comfy on the mat. Feet hip width apart. Squeeze the tummy, squeeze the bum. Now we're going to squeeze the bum and kick up your bottom and down again. Are you ready? 15, here we go. And 1, 2, squeeze the bum. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quickly turn around and then you're going to plant it out. You can either plant on your hands or on the elbows. Are you ready? Squeeze the tummy, squeeze the bum, lift the knees, and hold for 30 seconds. Be sure to have the shoulders away from the ears. Squeezing the tummy, squeezing the bum. And try to hold it in a plank position. Don't let your bum stick up, or don't let it drop down. You want to be in a plank. Good. Ladies, do you feel it? Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And up. And now we're going to do some plie squats. So I want you guys to open the knees, open the toes, squeeze the bum, and sit back when you squat. Here we go. We're doing 15. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to do 10 push-ups. them up and then extend the legs. Here's your choice. Are you guys ready? 10 on each side. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nicely done. Quick swap, other side. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. And 1, 2. Squeeze the tummy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Woo! Well done.
Yay.
Quickly get a sip of water, and then we go on with session 2. Whew. I hope you guys at home are having fun. squat. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4. For knee support, you can put your hands on your knees. Otherwise, you can simply hold the hands in the front. It's your choice. Anna, what's our count?
11.
Thank you. 14. And let's hold 15. Why? Because we can. Yes. Squeeze the bum just a little bit and up. Woo, look at it. Well done. Next up, push-ups. Here we go. Remember, you can do a full push-up or you can do a gurney push-up. It's your choice. 10. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, and stretch back. I hope you guys are feeling it because I am. Woo. Shoo. Just a quick stretch. And get a sip of water. Nicely done. I'm so proud of you guys. And now we're going to do the ab challenge again. So get ready to work those abs. We have to start working on the tummy. Very important to get that flat for the December holidays. Yeah, let's go to that. Okay, you guys, ab combo, straight legs, crunches. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Good. Tari, did you feel it?
Yes.
Lisa, did you feel it? Anna probably didn't feel it.
I felt it.
Anna, did you feel it?
I did.
Good. And breathe. And swap. Other side. Top of the foot. Bring the heel to the bum and pull the leg back. Be sure to squeeze the tummy and the bum while stretching the quad. And hold. Start to cool down now. Start to relax. Feel your heart pumping a little bit less. And just take deep breaths and start to cool down. Woo! Now bring that same leg over. With the opposite arm, pull the knee closer. Sit up straight and squeeze this bum. Be sure to keep both bottom bones on the floor. Don't pick up this bum, then you're cheating. Put it down and stretch the glute. And hold. And you guys can smile, right? I can see the back of my head, you're not smiling. It was a fun class. It was a hard class, but it was a good one. Woo! Nicely done. Now you guys can just sit comfortably, cross your legs, and then we're going to stretch the arm over. Be sure to keep the shoulder down as you stretch the arm over. Don't pick it up, keep it down. But sit up straight and squeeze the tummy muscles. We're just going to do a few quick arm stretches before we finish up. Make a long neck with a double chin. Soft double chin as you softly look down. Don't look up and put strain on your neck at the back. And breathe. Well done. Now swap other arm. Remember to keep the shoulder down as you pull the arm over. And softly look down. Make a long neck at the back. Sit up straight and squeeze the tummy. Well done. Now take the first arm over to the back. Hold on to the elbow and push it to the back. You want to feel the stretch here. Again, don't pick up the shoulder. Pull down the shoulder as you push the arm back, just as far as you can go. You want to feel the stretch and then hold it. Now ideally you could hold the stretch a little bit longer, but we're running out of time. So you can stretch along with us for now. Swap, other side. But after the class is finished, you're more than welcome to stretch a little bit more. It's always good, even if after you've taken a hot bath or a shower, to stretch again while the muscles are warm. And relax. Put the elbow down to the side, but don't let the bum be up. And just stretch over. You want to feel the stretch here in the side. Good. Just go down as far as you can go and feel comfortable with. But be sure to feel that stretch. And then a quick swap over to the other side.